the problem, find the values of x, y and z. So this is the equation is given, so that is in terms of matrices. So since the matrices are equal, so we are getting this value. So three equations we got, so we'll solve these. So x plus y is equal to 6, so there are two unknowns, so we cannot solve. So 5 plus z is 5, so if 5 plus z is 5, so this implies z is equal to 0. Z is equal to 0. Next, if z is equal to 0, so we want the value of x, y and z. So no need to from this value we cannot calculate x and y. So what I'll do is I'll write y is equal to 6 minus x. So y is equal to 6 minus x. Now substitute, I'll take y is equal to 6 minus x in this equation. So x into y minus 6 is equal to, or y I have taken 6 minus x, so I can write y as 6 minus x is equal to 8. So we are getting the equation 6x minus x square is equal to 8. So the equation will be x square minus 6x plus 8 equal to 0. So it's a quadratic equation. X square minus 6x plus 8 equal to 0 means we can write it as a x minus 4, x minus 2, x minus 2, x minus 4 equal to 0. This implies x equal to 2, x equal to 4, x equal to 2, x equal to 4. So if x is equal to 2, x equal to 4, therefore y is equal to, there are two options, so there are two values for that. So one is when x equal to 2, when x equal to 2, y is equal to 4. When x equal to 4, y is equal to 2. Therefore the values are 2, x equal to 2, y is equal to 4, z is equal to 0, or x equal to 4, y is equal to 2, z is equal to 0. That is equal to 0. So this is the value of x, y and z. Next problem is to find out the values of x, y, z. Find the values of x, y and z from the following equations. So what is that equation? X plus y plus z, x plus z, y plus z is equal to 9, 5 and 7. 9, 5 and 7. So we have to calculate what is the value of x, y and z. So now it is how many rows? 3 rows and 1 column. So it is a 3 rows and 1 column. It is a column matrix. 3 rows and 1 column. Now it is a column matrix. Since the matrices are equal, the corresponding elements are equal. Therefore what we get? X plus y plus z is equal to 9, x plus y plus z is equal to 9, and take it as equation 1, x plus z is equal to 5. So equation 2, next y plus z is equal to 7, that is equation 3. Why I am taking equation 1, equation 2 means there are 3 equations with 3 unknowns. So I have taken it is 1, 2, 3. So now I have to calculate the values of x, y and z. So you can see the equation 1 and 2. So equation 1 is x plus y plus z is 9 and x plus z is 5. So if I subtract equation 2 by equation 1, so x and z can be cancelled. So directly we are getting the value of y. And similarly, if I subtract equation 3 by equation 1, so x plus y plus z, y plus z can be cancelled, so we are getting the value of x. So if I know x and y values, we can calculate the value of z also. Therefore, I'll write here equation 1 minus equation 2 gives, equation 1 minus equation 2 gives, so x minus x and z minus z can be cancelled. So y is equal to 4. That gives y is equal to 4. Next we have to subtract equation 1 minus equation 3. So that gives, so y and z can be cancelled. So y and z means y and z can be cancelled. So we are getting the value of x. X is equal to 2. So by knowing the value of x and y, therefore directly from this also, from equation 2, if x is 2, then z will be, from equation 2, z is equal to 5 minus 2, so this will be 0. 5 minus 2, so that will be 3. So therefore x is equal to 2, y is equal to 4, z is equal to minus 3. So these are the values of x, y and z. Next question is, so this is also to find out the value of x, y and z. These are all by using the equality of two matrices, by using the conditions of equality of two matrices. Next, find the values of A, B, C and D, A, B, C and D from the equation A minus B, 2A plus C, 2A minus B, 3C plus D. So this is equal to minus 1, 5, 0 and 13. So again it is also to find out the value of A, B, C and D, again by using the equality. So since the matrices are equal, the corresponding elements are equal. Therefore A minus B is equal to minus 1. Then one more, we have to solve the simultaneous equation. So I'll write A minus B. Below that I'll write it as a 2A minus B is equal to 0. 2A minus B is equal to 0. since it is a we are getting simultaneous equation, so I'll write like this. Then 2a plus c equal to 5. Next one is 3c plus d is equal to 13. 2a plus c is 5 and 3c plus d is 13. So we are getting 4 equations. So we can solve these 2 equations. These 2 are the simultaneous equation in a 2 variable. So we can calculate what is the value of a and b. Then after getting a, c, and after getting c, we can calculate what is the value of d. So I'll solve this equation. So directly what I'll do is I'll subtract equation 2 by equation 1 by subtracting. So what we get by subtracting? So a, so 5 sign changes. A minus 2a is minus a. Minus a minus b, half sign changes, plus b. So that is equal to minus 1. So a is equal to 1. If a is equal to 1, then therefore 1 minus b is equal to minus 1. So from the equation 1 minus b is equal to minus 1. So b is equal to 2. So we got the value of a. So 2 into 1 plus c is equal to 5. So c is equal to 3. Then 3c plus d. So 3 into 3 plus d is equal to 13. So d is equal to 4. Therefore a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, c is equal to 3, and d is equal to 4. So this is again the value of a, b, c by equating the values, given values. Next question will be, the next question is to find, it is somewhat different, not this kind of problem. Find the number of all possible matrices of order. Find the number of all possible matrices of order 3 by 3 with each entry 0 or 1. With each entry 0 or 1. So this is one more kind of. So we have to find out the number of all possible matrices of order 3 by 3 with each entry 0 or 1. So since it is a 3 by 3 matrix, so how many entries are there in that matrix? If it is 3 by 3 matrix, so the number of elements or the entries in that matrix will be 9. So in that 9 entries or the 9 elements, each entry can take the value 0 or 1. Each entry can be take the value 0 or 1. So if each entry is 0 or 1, so I'll just write what is a matrix. Matrix will be any matrix A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. So this is a 3 cross 3 matrix. So this we have to make our 3 by 3 matrix. So we can make out there are 9 entries, and also each entry can take the value 0 or 1. So this can take 0 or 1, this can take 0 or 1. So this also can take 0 or 1, this also 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. So all these entries can take the value 0 or 1. So that is what we can arrange this 0 and 1 in these 9 places. So if you use 0 here, it is not given that you cannot use 0 again here. You can use 0 any number of times, you can use 1 any number of times. That means repetition is allowed. That means the repetition is allowed. If the repetition is allowed, we know that the number of permutation, the number of arrangement will be how many? 2 entries, 2 to the power how many? 9. How many? So here we are using the permutation principle here. So our multiplication principle here. Each entry can take the value 0 or 1. So for each entry, 2 possibilities. So how many? Like that? How many elements are there? 9 elements. Therefore, the total number of possible matrices of order 3 by 3 with the entry 0 or 1 is 2 by 2 to the power 9, because it is a permutation of two objects in 9 places without repetition, with the repetition. It is not given without repetition, with the repetition. Therefore, we can write the answer as, since the order is 3 by 3, since the order is 3 by 3, the number of elements in the matrix is, number of elements in the matrix is 9. If the number of elements in the matrix is 9, then each entry can be or each element or each A11 or element can take 2 entries. Therefore the number of possible matrices are 2 to the power 9, that is 5, 1, 2. The number of possible matrices are 2 to the power 9, that is 2 to the power 9 is 5, 1, 2. So this is the answer for this question. So this may be asked for 1 mark, can be asked. So they can ask 4 by 4 also, or any other matrix of different order also can be asked, but this is simple application of permutation or arrangement. Next, homework. First one. So first one problem. Find the values of x and y. Find the values of x and y from the following equations. From the following equations. That first one, 4, 3, x 5, 4, 3, x 5, y z 1, 5, y z 1, 5, three x plus 7, 5, 3x plus 7, 5, y plus 1, 2 minus 3x, 2 minus 3x, that is equal to 0, y minus 2, 0, y minus 2, 8, 4. 0, y minus 2, 8, 4. So while reading a matrix, I wanted to tell, so while reading a matrix, so we just how we call it as, how I read is 4, 3, x, 5, but if I read 4, 3, x, 5, you may not know, so whether 4 is a first element or first element, or you can make out 4 is the first element, but you cannot make out 3 is the first, second second element in the first row, or first element in the next row you cannot make out. So while reading a matrix, how we have to read is a matrix, first row 4, 3, second row x and 5, so you can make out. So this is a first and second, this is second row, first and second, or you can read it as a column wise also. First column 4 x, second column 3, 5. Here also first row I can read it as a first row 3x plus 7, 5. Second row y plus 1, 2 minus 3x, or I can read it by using column also. First column 3x plus 7, y plus 1, second column 5, 2 minus 3x, like that we can read. Or if we read continuously 4, 3x, 5, so we cannot make out whether we are telling the row elements or column elements, or what is the position of that. So if you mention first row, first column, first second row, second column, like that, then it will be by reading that itself we can make out how the matrix will be. So complete this problem also. So this is also based on the equality of matrices and types of matrices. Most of the problems will be asked from the equality of matrices, not the types of matrices are not at all asked. So only most of the problems asked from types of the matrices. So next is operations on matrices. Operations on matrices. Operations on matrices, that means the operations of matrices. So how there are operations in terms of real numbers, addition, subtraction, multiplication. Similarly, there is operations on matrices also. So operation, addition of a matrix, and multiplication of a matrix, subtracting or difference of a matrix. So division of a matrix is not there. So only addition, subtraction, multiplication of a matrix are defined. So operations on matrices. So in that first one is addition of matrices. Addition of matrices. So how to add two matrices, that is the addition of matrices. So suppose if there are two matrices Aij with the Aij with the entries or order m cross n, and Bij of order m by n. So if A and B are two matrices, then the addition of two matrices are possible only if the order of these two matrices are equal. If the order of two matrices are equal, then only the addition of two matrices are possible. If the order is different, then we cannot add two matrices. So addition of two matrices are possible only when the order of the matrices are same. So then how to add that? How to add two matrices? So while adding two matrices, we have to add the corresponding elements of the matrices. If A is one matrix and B is one more matrix, to add that matrix, we have to add the corresponding